Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Capcut and tapping New Project. Import the clips you need and place them on the timeline. Once done, scrub through and use the trim handles to remove dead space. Keep shots under 5 seconds when pacing is fast. Make sure to rename tracks or group clips for clarity and set the aspect ratio to 16, 9 or 9. 16 depending on platform, so your composition reads correctly right from the start. Now you sculpt the middle of your edit. Split clips where action changes and use speed controls. For dramatic slow motion, try 0. 5x. Once cuts are solid, add transitions only where they serve the story. Avoid overuse. Also import your music track, place it under speech, and duck the music with keyframes so dialogue stays clear. Remember to use overlays and opacity to layer B-roll, and color grade subtly, so shot finish by polishing color, sharpening, and adding a global LUT if needed. Use white balance, exposure, and curves to match shots. Once satisfied, review the full timeline for pacing, then set export settings to 1080p at 30 fps and a bitrate around 812 mbps for social platforms. Tap Export and monitor progress. If rendering stalls, clear the app cache. Confirm you have free storage and restart Capcut before retrying. That fixes most export hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.